Okay, students, after the explanation of the chapter, we are going to start the reading part. Okay, students? So, the name of the chapter is Amazing Animals. What is the name of the chapter? Amazing Animals. Okay, students? So, and the name of the part is Battle in the Jungle. यानी बैटल मीन्स क्या, लड़ाई होती है ना, उसे कहते हैं बैटल. सो वेयर इट वॉज इन द jungle. Okay, students, once upon a time all the animals that walked on land and all the birds and insects that live in the sky began to quarrel about who was the smartest and strongest. Means who were fighting there were the some animals who were living on the land, some were the birds who were living in the sky. So birds and insect, what do that they flew in the sky na, and what they started to quarrel about who is smartest and strongest among them. यानी वो सब लड़ाई करने लग गए. quarrel करना यानी लड़ाई करना, झगड़ा करना, और सब लोग यही बात पे quarrel करने लगे कि इन सब में से सबसे ज़्यादा स्मार्टेस्ट और स्ट्रॉन्गेस्ट कौन है. इसीलिए एट फर्स्ट द स्पोक सॉफ्टली, उन्होंने पहले तो क्या किया, धीरे धीरे बातें करने लगे. देन स्लोली दे बिकेम एंग्रियर. मीन्स आफ्टर समटाइम्स दे गॉट एंग्रीनेस ना in them, and what they started loudly, they started quarreling loudly with each other. Okay, students, the tiger growled and the whole wolves howled. Means who started first? The tiger na started growled, and the wolves, what they started, started howled. Okay, the birds gave loud cries and cackles. Means what they started, the birds started the loud cries and cackles. The insect buzzed as loudly as they could. Means as the animals started shouting loudly, and birds also started loudly crying and cackled, this insect also buzzed and speak as loud as they were able to do. At last one old parrot said, "Stop shouting. Let's not waste our time and energy in talk. Let's fight." Means after sometimes now one of the old parrot came there and told them that stop shouting, all of you. Do one thing, that instead of wasting the time, what they all have to do, they all have to stop wasting their time and energy in talking now. Instead of that, they will start the fighting. Then animals laughed at the bird's idea. Means when they heard as the parrot told them to, instead of stop of wasting the time, they will start fighting. All the animals started laughing there by hearing the birds what the bird was telling to them. They heard them and they started laughing on it. "What?" said the lion. "Can you fight us?" "Don't be foolish. I can bite harder than any one of you." Means what the lion told to them, that why you are fooling like a foolish, you are not don't you understand that how can you fight with me? I am a bite harder than any one of your birds. मीन वो सबसे ज़्यादा क्या था, वो बहुत ज़्यादा ताकतवर था कि वो सारे एनिमल बर्ड्स को ऐसे ही वो अकेला ही मार सकता है. वैसे द एलिफेंट सेड, "I can lift a whole tree and fight you all at once." Then after the elephant also told to them that I am also a kind of thing, like I can lift the whole tree. एक ही साथ पूरा जो पेड़ होते उसे उखाड़ ले सकता हूँ, और एक ही फाइट से आप सारों को मार सकता हूँ. Who said that? That the elephant said. After that, now what they said, "We will easily defeat you. Who said that the animals told to the birds that we can easily defeat you all? मैं हम सब मिल के आपको आसानी से हरा सकते हैं. Will you? Said the parrot. We will see about that. Get ready to fight us. मीन्स पैरेट ने क्या क्या कि आपको ऐसा सच में लगता है कि दैट यू विल बी एबल टू डिफीट अस. सो देन डू वन थिंग, we will see about that. And what you are going to do now, they are going to get ready to fight with the animals, as the parrot told that get ready to fight with all us, means the birds. The lion became the commander of the animal. Who became the commander of the animals? Lion became the commander of the animals, and the parrot became the commander of the birds. Means they started deciding how they are going to fight with each other, how the animals are going to fight with the birds, and birds will think how they are going to fight with the animals. For that, the lion was the commander of animals and parrot was the commander of the birds to take the decision. The lion called all the animals together and gave them a drill for practice. They marched for long hours. He gave them a lot of food too. Means what the lion started, how the lion started there. First of all, he called all the animals together and gave them a drill for प्रैक्टिस, यानी उन्हें बहुत प्रैक्टिस करवाई. फिर उनको सबको एक साथ वो प्रैक्टिस कई आवर्स के तक कर रहे थे. एंड आफ्टर दैट ही गेव देम सम फूड ऑल्सो टू ईट. The poor birds did not have good food and they did not practice also, as these birds they were very poor and they did not have the good food or not even they practice also. So instead of doing all that, now what they decided, instead they had a meeting with their friends, the insect. Means as the birds were not having the food and they had not even done the practice, so what they did, they called their friend, they were the insect. Okay, at the meeting the parrot called on their friend the fly. To whom did the parrot call now? He called the fly. Okay, you will become the spy for our army. Tell us the animal's plan. Means for what he had was called there by the parrot, for by making him the spy to give them all the information of the animal's plan against the battlefield. Okay, for that. Yes, said the fly, I will become the spy for our army. Before the battle, the lion called all the animals together. The tiny fly flew in and hid nearby. Means as what the parrot has told him to do now, the fly do like that only. He went near the animals when the lion called them now for the all the animals for their battle. So what the tiny fly did, he just flew in and hid nearby the animals only. Okay, are you all ready? The lion asked. Yes, we are ready, they all shouted. We are ready to battle. We are ready to go to the battlefield. Means what the animals told, as the lion asked them, are you ready for the battle? So all the animals shouted that they all are ready to go for the to the battlefield. Okay, then listen carefully, said the lion. Means he was giving them some more information about the battle. So he told them that listen carefully and listen what I am saying to you. The lion whispered, I have a plan. Captain Fox, you have a nice long tail. You will be my signal. On the battlefield, I shall whisper in your ear when it is time to fight. You will put up your long tail to signal all the animals to attack the birds. Is that clear? Means what he had done, their lion, what plan he made, he told the captain of the animals, who was that was the fox. He called him and told him that you have a very nice long tail now, so do want to use your tail as a signal. So when the battle is going to get start now, you will put up your long tail to signal all the animals to attack the birds. Okay, in that way he told to the Captain Fox. Very clear, sir, said the fox. Very well, said all the animals in one voice. Means they all were hearing what the animal was telling them to do before the battle. The fly hurried to tell the parrot the lion's secret plan. So what happened now, as the lion, all the animals and the lion were talking now, the fly was listening to them. So what he did, he just fly hurriedly to tell the parrot about the lion's secret plan. Okay, the time for the battle came. Both sides met on the battlefield. Means both the side, who are the both the side? The lion, the animals and the birds were the both sides. Okay, were getting ready for the battlefield. Soon the lion whispered to the fox, "It's the time, put up your tail." So when they thought that lion, now the battle is going to get started, so what the lion did, he whispered to the fox, "It's the time, so put up your tail so we can start the fighting." Okay, the fox put up his tail to signal the animal to attack. So who told them to get ready now? The fox put up his tail and told them to see all the animals to attack on the birds. But the parrot was ready. He quickly and quietly said to the bee, "Hurry at once and sting the fox." Fox tail means when the lion, when all the animals were ready to fight on birds now, but what the parrot did, he just went quickly to the bee and told him to hurry at once and sting the fox tails. Means go and sting on the fox tail. As the parrot has told the bee to sting the fox tail, now what he did, the bee stung the fox. He stung him once, he stung him twice, he stung him 3 times. Means he just keep on stunking the fox, not 1 or 2 times but more than that. Okay, the fox forgot all about the signal as the bee has stung on him now. So what happened to him? He just forgot all about the signal. He jumped, he shouted, he ran in the circles after his injured tail, and finally tucked his tail between his legs and ran away. Means what happened to him? As the bee has stung him on his tail now, what happened to him? He was shouting and jumping, and what he did, as he was uninjured now, so he put his tail between his legs and just ran away from that battlefield. Okay, the other animals were confused and ran after him. Means as the fox ran now, what happened to the other animal? They also just got confused and they just start running after him. They ran away from the battlefield. They lost the battle. Means as all the animals ran away from there, so what happened to them? They all lost the battle also. The birds fluttered their wings in joy. Means they all were very happy. Why they were happy? Because they had won the battlefield. That's what they all were very happy, and they fluttered their wings in joy. They had won without fighting at all. So what happened to them? They don't even have to fight for fight in the battlefield, and they just win the battle also. Okay, students.